Okay, so let's talk about improvisation. So I taught you many kinds of ideas on how to make enormous hats and other animal figures and other things. This time, with that ideas, you can improvise these ideas in so that you can make your own creation. So I'll show you what I mean. By using the ideas that I taught you on my courses previously from volume 1 up to this volume 6. So let's create an improvisation. Okay, this is my improvised version on how to create an enormous hats ideas that I taught you from our previous volumes. So this is another improvised version that I created right now. So using your imagination and a little touch of creativity, you can create more fascinating or marvelous designs than this. Okay, So if you want to put other things here, like for example here, let's create several 1-inch bubbles here on the top of our hat, and of course eventually we can create another part of our hat, so another part of design of our hat. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. We just need to finish this first before I explain it further when it comes to this. Okay, so now I think we're done here. Just put this balloon here, exactly here. Just wrap this around here. Okay, now put this here, put this around here. Now let's create another more bubble here. I think let's create another bubble. And we created another design for this hat. Okay. So that's it. So let me wear this. Okay, so another part of design using this balloon that we created just now. Okay, so hope you like this. Okay, one more idea that I'm sure it might gonna help you to create your own design. Okay, let me show you this example. Okay. Now let's create. This time let's create 8 figure here. Okay, create an 8 figure like this. Okay. Let me put this here. Okay, let me put one more here. Now let me connect this pink balloon here. And now we have instantly created another kind of hat. Okay, let me wear this so that you can appreciate what I did here. See, another kind of improvisation. Hope you like it.